From DailyForex, this is Chris taking a look at the crude oil market. It's been a little noisy during the session here on Wednesday, but really we don't have any real drive one way or the other. And therefore, I think you've got a situation where you probably need to look at this through the prism of a potential range-bound market. You don't really want to get overly aggressive at this point. That being said, if we can take out $75, that would be a very bullish sign, because not only would it take out a big figure, but it would take out the 50-day EMA. Underneath, we have 68, which offers support. With inflation numbers coming out on Thursday and Friday, I think we're probably just going to wait for that information. Same thing over here in Brent. We've got $80.50, the 50-day EMA, both offering resistance. Underneath, we have 72 offering support. We're basically in the middle of the range. So it's a 50-50 shot. It's not really a tradable market right now.